I blessed love it tonight, man Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ SWICKED vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See you.
Fire burner we got.
Yes, peeps. Take time put on call this bullshit, you know. It's the people. They try bullshit. Still hard work, you know. From the beer with that on me, you know. Just can't give up in the Gideon people. They are full on the back of you. Doing this movie. That's really big obstacle. Thicker it trashes, peeps, better it is, you know. So all the thing out trash, thicker it trash, better peeps, you know. Yes, peeps, you know, you must hear the worm them now in belly a bar. Out your pan with hard piece of what I can't see nothing yet, but wanna get this background of the day quick and fast. You can see it right away. But don't know. I want to see this take off first. Yes, my peeps, they are taking a little time. Yes, peeps, take time to try cover him up. Then we back him up. It's a piece of work, you know. I take time to get the peeps. Continue checking same way. As you can see me there, I do it. As you can see, I take time to bush him. See them trees stick the way, see, lay out on the ground, that's a peeps. See one more there out at the end there, so. Yeah man, that are the next piece of backing up. Next piece of backing up out there, so peeps. Yeah man, the piece of backing up them would I would love for you get to see a bit. That's what me I do. Cause if you notice the whole of that side they actually cover off with bush already. The top can take a bit more. You know, around that side they see him when you come back. Round so. Yeah man, me I take time finalize it peeps by later I want to light it. So just stay tuned for that, you know. Yeah man, little difficulty. So apparently something going on me and thing and you know, me end up have to pause a bit, but the devil can't stop the works, you know. Yeah man, me I tell you that. So peeps, check in, see him way. Yeah man, active your water on some hard work, you know.
Sit down.
As you can see, I'm done bushing and one thing, people. I'm gonna start dirty, man, now, you know. Yeah, man, so stay tuned for me. I chew on some dirt on him and thing, people. Yeah, man, that's the mission right now, you know. As you can see, I go and start dirty, you know. I'm gonna take time to dirt up. Dirty him up, my people. I couldn't see a little hog on here. I don't know. DJ SWICKED vlogs outside. You know, I may try if you do it. You know, but we don't want to join out it. We buy dirt in it, so I make you see how I dirt the next piece out. So rough still, cause I can't hear it now my voice, you know. But active, man. Take time to take up all around us, you know. Now do you see me with this to you all here, so. Yeah man, show it up there, you know, peeps. Then put on some fire underneath it, make you see what I go on. So stay tuned, my people. As me there, I take time dirty him up. You see it? Yes, no man. Nah, man, I lie, my people. SWICKED. That is it, you know. Peeps, I have a little kerosene oil in a lamp here. I want to use it and I want to tie on them bag here on the piece of stick. So stay tuned for all of that epic part there, how I do it and all of that. I catch the camera at a little spot and see if I can fix things, make you guys see what I go and see. So stay tuned for that. Time up one kind of way, you know. Pull the lamp, you know. Get some personal to go up on, you know. Yes, my peeps. Yes, my peeps. Stay tuned for me. I put fire almost more steel, you know, you know. Yes, peeps. It's like in too tight to go on. It's too tight to go on the peeps. Swear. Tight to go on it. Fire in the hole, peeps. Yeah, man, fire in the hole. That's one thing to catch the baby. I know if I didn't catch the baby peeps, me alright, you know. Yes, man. Yes, my people. They are active, you know, man. Active, my people, man. By the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread, you know, people. I'm supposed to see how me they put in the hard work. Yes, man. No joke. This one ain't no chicken or no pork. That is it, my people. Yes, no, man. Let's go and take a good look at what I go on, my people, man. Don't know the thing, you know. DJ SWICKED vlogs out here, you know. Yes, no, man. Dark truth, people. DJ SWICKED there, man. I go and make the thing possible, you see it? Cause smoke does a push out at the top, my people. That is it, you know. As you can see, take time to smoke up, you know. Yes, no, man. I see what I go on, my peeps. Yes, no, man. Dark truth, people. DJ SWICKED vlogs in the place. You see that? Yes, people are with that, you see me? I want to shot like a bingy. Yes, my people. Yes, no man. That is it. That is it, peeps. Evening light, you know, man. You see that, people? I want to go on sweet. I know the thing already, you know, my people. No joke. This one is nicer than any chicken or pork. I mean, I consume it as it. Yeah, so sweet, people. Check in. DJ SWICKED vlogs on the scene. That is it, man. People, no joke. This one is buzzing. It's buzzing, buzzing, buzzing. It's buzzing, it's buzzing, it's buzzing, buzzing, buzzing. Yes, yes, yes. You see that, people? Active, you know, man. That is it. Hard work. You know, we have to put in. Yes, it. Yes, no, man. Now go say me are the first one to do a cool skill pan. You see me pan a vlog, but yeah, man, active out of people. Hard work is the key to success. You see that? Yes, no, man. Talk to people. Cool skill light and it a smoke up. Yes, watch your style, yeah. Watch your style, yeah. And me there, I watch it thing, it a go on, yeah. Watch your style, yeah. Yes, yes. Jamaican style and watch his style. Everything, hey, it's wicked and wild. You see that? Me say, peeps, me hear football a go on, you know. And me say, peeps, tell you the truth, me anxious. They want to go play some ball, but yeah, man, know about it. And at time, I start out one of them vlog there, you know. But for now, hard work people, that are going, you know. Normal alive people. Check in! Check in, my people. Check in, my people. Check in, my people. Cool skill a go on, me say check in, my people. Check in, my people. Check in, my people. What? Over on the side, yeah, a cool skill light up. And it a go on, it a blaze and a... Boy, trouble. Freestyle, you know, people. Yeah, so nice, sweet kiddie. No joke. Radam. Yo, peeps, you wanna believe it, man. Yeah, so. People, I'm if you tell them, man. Just take time and go and do the right thing, you know? Yeah, go and do the right thing, people. Normal checking, people. You see it?
You hear me? Raz Vital done. Out there I represent to the fullest for DJ SWICKED vlogs, you know. Real life something done. And the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, not there. Up full, Raz Vital. Hey!